I didn't even want to admit this. I was meet the Mitchell family. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby Ivy. Good job. Morning, come here. Come on. Come to mama. Uh-oh. Is that a tantrum? Oh no.
So I broke some of bones for that.
You didn't break any bones.
I didn't break bones.
What? He just said to me that, you know that
A
school is
brain
not
makes
actually that
us
great.
talk. A brain makes us talk.
The brain helps
Do
us
you
to
know
talk.
Zombie
Yes.
Jeffy? You know that?
Did you sleep well?
You know Mom Ross and Opera things.
Miles Morales.
Mom Ross and Opera things.
Yeah, okay.
You know, but
Are you ready for school?
no. I'm staying home.
No, you're not staying
I
home.
want to.
Not today.
I want to.
School is not today, it's next week. Ready for school too? You ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, you going to go to school? Okay.
Welcome MTM family. So today's vlog is a Monday vlog. So if you're watching this on Monday, September 4th, just remember that tonight is my first show on CVM TV. The cut is on CVM TV at 8 p.m. tonight. So I'm very excited. I'm hype about it. I can't wait for everybody to see it, what the vibe is like. I watched the episode and I love the vibe, but you know, I'm a part of the whole process and the whole editing and everything. So I can't wait until you guys get a chance to watch it. I may not upload it onto YouTube until couple days time, but as I said before, no worry if you're not in Jamaica, if you don't have access to local TV, if you don't have access to CVM TV, then we're going to sort out a YouTube upload sometime this week. Thank you for all of the names for the channel. I'm going to finalize that. I'm making a know. Hopefully by the end of this video, I'm sieving through. So let's see. Momo sort out my breakfast. Thanks, Momo. I have to be taking up my vitamins and my supplements. I have too much things doing this week. I have rehearsals. Lord God, people. Right down to the wire with there. So this week is a week of launch dates. We're launching off, branching off, and bare things. You see me? I have a rehearsal today too. So I probably capture some stuff at rehearsal. I never usually vlog while at rehearsal. Obviously, I'm not giving away too much, but probably catch a little bit of rehearsal today.
I just finished editing the surprise video and you would have seen it by now. But I didn't get to fit some footage in there that I wanted to share because something Gia and I really love is ice cream. And so we kind of snuck out yesterday in the evening and went to go get some ice cream. And you know, just have a little chit chat. So
You know that my dad takes away the TV.
the TV, yes, he did take away the TV because you guys are fighting over it a little too much.
Mom.
Yes?
You should let him have that.
Why?
Because that's why I was in there in the kitchen for a whole week with my little sister.
With your little sister?
Yeah.
What's she doing?
She was actually playing with the ball with me.
Oh, she loves playing with the ball.
And that's why I had to take away the TV from me.
I see.
And that's
Alright.
how he got it.
Anyway, I'll share that footage with you now. That's what I was trying to say. So, yeah. Everybody's always saying how, you know, I spend one-on-one time with Atlas. You know, what about the other kids? We're spending some one-on-one time too. Without the other kids. I left Wayne at home too. Because we're going on a special mission. Gia and I share a passion for... What do we share a passion for?
For the lights of the world.
My mouth is watering thinking about a waffle boy.
The delights
The delights.
of earth.
So I always have the same thing, a waffle cone. I don't always have the same thing, but recently I've been having the same thing. A waffle cone, coconut ice cream, chocolate ice cream. Gio has a waffle cone too.
It's like crunchy.
Crunchy munchy.
Or cookies and cream.
Or both.
Or both.
And every time he goes, please guys, don't make the cone too big.
No, it's like really.
And he goes, I can't finish this. And then magically it finishes. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We left everybody else at home because, you know, sometimes it's just how it goes. If you want to see more of Gio and Tami Chronicles, just say so, man. I told everybody it's your birthday on Thursday, by the way. So excited. Gonna be 18. And then he's obviously one of these who's like, Gio, what do you want for your birthday? Nanny. Yeah. So leave some comments below if you have any suggestions. Oh yes, sorry. He wants an M3. That's gonna happen, you know. That's really gonna happen. You guys know that like on a Sunday I like to do a little bit of a special breakfast. So today I'm making a little French toast. So in here I just have like some milk, 3 eggs. I'm gonna add some sugar, cinnamon, salt. I'm also gonna be adding some of my favorite vanilla bean extract. I've been singing going to sleep. Did I mention a little sea salt, cinnamon, and I'm just using regular bread today. So yeah, and then we fry it. Yummy. So look who did not want to sleep anymore. Decided it was time to get up. She didn't even go down. She didn't even close her eye, Mo. She lay down in there for 1 hour and did not go to sleep. So what are you going to do now then? Come, let's go play. No, you too? What happened to your foot? Oh.
Ozzy's wearing the boots on, Jackson. Let me see what's the problem.
Oh man. Ivy, Atlas. Yeah. Ivy wants to play with you. Careful, Oz.
Oz, walk.
Her new favorite thing is playing ball. Say please.
Let's get it.
Drama in the Mitchell house, always. How was she fever? Ivy! Yay! This little girl gonna walk this week. Watch and see. She gonna walk this week. Maureen, what you said this week? I think it's this week too. Nice job, Ives. Good job, honey. We are on the road. Actually taking Jackson to a football game. Friendly birthday party game. And so we're heading on the road now to go do that. Daddy's gone, as you guys know, to do his rehearsals. He's not feeling 100%, guys. But he is.
But he's
pushing
keeping
through.
going.
Yeah, exactly. And doing everything he can to make sure that
And
he's 100% in no time.
And I believe that he's going to do amazing on his show that he has to do. I believe it.
Which night do you want to go? We have to take you. We're gonna have to figure out a way to take you guys, take Momo. Ivy can't manage, so we're gonna have to get some backup. Yeah, for the night when we're all. Cause I want to go with Momo, you know, like that's the fun. So yeah. Anyway, it's gonna be great. So we're gonna go do that now, and we will catch up with you later.
Yes, people. Why, when you see me not get for vlog, you know, trust me, you know, say wicked, me have to lock in completely. People, me a dance, me a sing, me a act. Trust me, and I'm not normal. Good vibes though. Good vibes. I'm looking forward to the show. I think it have something for everybody. All age groups can come. Yes, sir. I'm actually heading back home now. I think Jackson is gone to a party. We're probably going to have to pick him up soonish. So many things going on. You're supposed to hear it in my voice. I'm not 100% either. So anything I can take me, I take it right now. I'm going to try to ward off anything I can come invade my body right now. I need all of my strength and all of my wits about me. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this week. Looking forward to it. Excited. Excited about the challenge that lays ahead. You see me?
I just dropped Jackson off, and it was one of those parties where you could drop off and I'll go back to pick him up. But I haven't eaten today, so I literally just swung in to get a little something. And by the time I'm done this, I'll see where we are time wise. If anything, either Gio or Wayne will probably go and pick up Jax for me. Okay, I don't know if Wayne vlogged too much today, but we will meet back up at home and vlog there probably. So I think you're so good. I think you're so good.
He's so good at what?
Dancing. I don't care what nobody say. Hey.
But how am I sweat so?
Because he's been doing it for like...
Practice make perfect,
Yeah,
you know.
it's his workout.
People, if you don't put sweat and tears into it, you're not seeing the results, you know.
That is it, baby.
That man tell you, man.
That is it, baby.
You have to sweat and cry. Hard work, great. Yeah.
You say my ketchup?
When I can't chat to my big dancer. When I can't say anything I don't want to say. Watch this.
Now the audio.
That's excellent. I don't care what
today.
nobody say.
You
And it's just true I can't use the music when I hear, when I see how on point it is. So just check him out on TikTok. Gio, what's your TikTok name, baby?
Giomar_.
Giomar_. That what?
That Mitchell.
Oh, that is it.
Yeah.
That is it.
I think it's time for me to get readers, guys. I didn't even want to admit this. I was trying to read the ingredients on something the other day, and I couldn't see it. And no matter where I put it, I couldn't see it. And I ended up taking a picture of it.
And zoom in.
So, you've done that?
I've never done that. I've done that.
So how did you do? Okay.
Because I just thought you took a picture of it. Obviously, you're gonna take a picture and zoom in. But remember, I warned you, though. This is 40.
Everything just seems so blurry.
It happens.
Oh, but don't worry. I also tried to zoom the label. Meaning I put my hand on the label of the thing and did this. And was like,
Okay, cool.
We're not there yet. Anyway, heading to go pick up Jax, as you guys know. That just popped into my brain. We're here just talking about what a big week we have coming up. I was telling them in the surprise video that literally Wednesday we have I have sunrise, kids have back to school, and you have Pichi Pachi. And then Thursday is Gio's birthday. It's a lot. Anyway, we are more than equipped and ready to go.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. So I hope you guys tune in on Wednesday, early. I have to be there from like 4:30 in the morning. So, but the show won't start till 6, and they are going to be streaming it on YouTube. So you have no excuse. Definitely tune in.
Oh, for real? That's good. All the episodes will be on the show?
I think until the app is up and running, they're
Oh,
so it's good.
nice.
Oh, this is gonna get super shaky, so we'll see in a few.
Hey, what's up? How was the party?
Good.
Yeah?
Our team came second place in the tournament.
Oh, for your
We lost
tournament?
by 1 goal.
What? You scored any? Scored any?
Sadly not, but I was really good at defending.
Okay, good.
He said sadly not.
Yeah, it's like that.
Sadly not.
I know the way he said it though.
Yeah, some we are defenders, some we are forward.
I like
Just
to
be a
play
defender, don't be a pretender, you see me?
Let's go. I'm making my prediction now though. She's gonna walk this week.
This week?
This is the week. Don't it, Momo? You feel like it's this week too? She's definitely.
Just getting up by herself.
And she just going to forget one day and she's just going to step off.
You know what one of our cousins themselves will do?
What up?
Get something where she love
Yes.
and then just, make she
Guys,
step come to.
this is number 5. We know.
Yeah, we've been at the them
But
style.
trust me, that's how we got Atlas to walk. Food. All of them always walk towards something, but she's going to do it in her own time. And she's going to do it when nobody's expecting it or looking, yeah. Ta, bring it to mommy.
We're club social, you know.